Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you fitness enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the FITMYFAVO jump rope, a fantastic workout tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this jump rope deserves a place in your fitness routine. First things first, let's talk about what makes the FITMYFAVO jump rope stand out from the rest. This jump rope is designed to be the best jump rope workout for beginners, and here's why. The FITMYFAVO jump rope is made from high-quality cotton material that's not only durable but also comfortable to use. Plus, it features a protective cover at the bottom, which ensures that your rope won't get damaged when it hits the ground during your workouts. What's great about this jump rope is that it's adjustable. It measures 9.19 feet in length and has a diameter of 0.354 inches, making it suitable for adults and children. You can easily customize it to the perfect length for your height, ensuring a comfortable and effective workout. Another standout feature is the comfortable foam handles. They provide a secure and non-slip grip, making it easy to grasp and carry during your skipping sessions. Your hands will feel comfortable even during intense workouts. The FITMYFAVO jump rope is also weighted, which adds an extra challenge to your workout. This means you'll get more out of your cardio and endurance training, making it a great addition to your fitness routine. But it's not just about convenience. This jump rope offers a variety of health benefits too. Jumping rope is known to improve heart rate, making it beneficial for blood pressure patients. Plus, it's a fantastic way to improve bone density and is considered one of the best HIIT workouts. The FITMYFAVO jump rope is not only effective but also affordable. With a list price of $9.99, you can grab it now for just $7.99 on Amazon. That's a 20% discount. In conclusion, if you're a beginner looking to add an efficient and budget-friendly workout tool to your routine, the FITMYFAVO jump rope is a fantastic choice. It's durable, adjustable, and comes with comfortable foam handles, making it the best jump rope workout for beginners. Don't miss out on this great deal. Check out the link in the description below to get your FITMYFAVO jump rope today and start working towards your fitness goals. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. That's it for today's review. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Remember, the FITMYFAVO jump rope is your perfect companion on your fitness journey. Stay active, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.